What's up mga Lodi? Ako nga pala INDAH SHAY. So for today, ipapakita ko po sa inyo ay kung paano ako mag-appeal kay YouTube. Dahil naka-receive po ako ng email galing po sa team ni YouTube na reuse content po ako. So ngayon po, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano po ako mag-appeal. Let's go! Hello YouTube team, I'm INDAH SHAY channel, and today I just want to share with you my video appeal. On last July 26, 2024, I will see your email from your team that I'm not accepted to a YouTube partner program due to reuse content. Based on my videos and my YouTube channel, I don't have a copyright link that can cause the reuse content. That is a make a video to explaining to your team. My channel content many different types of content. Singing, all my songs like a playlist, mukbang, pranking, and family bonding, and some video reaction. And also, I created some tips to my friends. And I upload original videos, like my province life experience. And other videos that is related to my life. Now, I will show you on what I use making videos. This is the materials I use in forming. First, I have a cell phone, V8 sound card complete set, and also I have a headphone. Second, I have a tripod for microphone. And this is my microphone I use for sing. And also I have a speaker. And now, I will show you how editing my videos. The editing tools and apps I use to editing my videos is my cell phone and CapCut or Power Director. For me, CapCut and Power Director is very easy to use to edit. It contains more pictures that will help you improve your videos. Hello YouTube team, I'm INDAH SHAY channel, and today I just want to share with you my video appeal on last videos like my province life experience and other videos that is related making videos. And now I will show you how show you on what I use making videos. On what I use making videos.
Iangan mo ko, dinunloadan. Pinakan ka na, wait, ko sige pagdangan ko. Maway sir, again. Kana, i-open na siya again. I-open, Facebook. Kaya nga, kan-discuss na. So, kita sa lang ako dyan, kasi minum siya.
I hoping that you consider this video and bring back my monetization and ads. Thank you for your kindness and keep safe.